everybody, it's me, Miss You, and we're going to start off by creating a document. We're going to call it 2.1.4, and this is document the assembly. And this is my copy, and we're going to go OK. We're going to go to the front view. This is the front view, and we're going to start off by creating the wedge, or AKA the triangle. We're going to go sketch, line draw, start at the origin. I'm going to go up, across, horizontal, and I have a closed figure. We're going to now dimension it. Remember when this was once hard? This is 1. This is 2.25. Okay, and now we're going to extrude it. And we're going to extrude it by 1. And our first shape is done. Okay, let's not forget to rename it. And, oops, let me move this away. Rename. And I'm going to call it wedge. And it is the triangle. Excellent. Now we're going to create our second part, which is the rectangle, also known as the tall bar. And I'm going to go plus, create part studio. I'm going to go front. I'm going to go sketch. I'm going to go corner rectangle. I'm going to go dimension it. And the width is going to be 1.25. The height is going to be 3.5. And we're now going to extrude it. And we're going to extrude it by 1/2 inch. And I'm going to go check. Our part is done. We're going to right click it. We're going to rename it. And we're going to rename it tall bar. And we're going to call it rectangle. The last part that we're doing, I'm going to go plus. I'm going to go create part studio. I'm going to go front view. And I'm going to go sketch. I'm going to go line draw. And just because I've done this a bunch of times, I know I'm going to start right on the line. Next one is the origin. You always have to go through the origin. I'm going to go down. Make sure your lines are vertical and horizontal. And now I'm going to switch it to the arc, the 3-point arc. I do the 2 endpoints and then the third one. Okay, so I go 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to now dimension it. The width is 2.25. Okay, the height is 1. It might be a little bit more than 1, but that's fine. This piece over here is 1/4 inch. And I'm going to bring down the constraint over here. I have it equal. This is equal to that. Okay. And now I'm going to dimension the circle itself, which is, oh, that's right. 0.875 inches, and that's the right number. I'm now going to extrude it by 1 inch. Check, and it is done. Okay, let's look at the isometric view. Okay, pretty good. So I'm going to call this part I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to call it the arc.